guys, I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. This is the place where I create healthy and delicious food. So if you're looking for something like that, hit the subscribe button and I'll share more recipes every week. So today I'm going to share one of my favorite fall winter stews. It's a beef stew with potatoes, onions, carrots, and tomatoes, and some fresh herbs. It's very simple but very flavorful and a perfect comfort food for chilly fall and winter nights. Heat the pot well for a minute or two. Add a tablespoon of neutral oil and half tablespoon of butter. If you have bacon, use it. It will give additional flavor to the dish. Place the meat in the pot. It's always good to use white pot so that the meat is one layer and have enough room to caramelize. Do not stir for some time. Let the meat cook for a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can peel and slice the onions as they join the beef first together with some salt, pepper, and a bay leaf. Those ingredients create the most amazing aromas in your dish. Put the lid on, turn the heat down to medium-low, and cook them in its steam for about 10 minutes. This will give you enough time to prepare the rest of the ingredients, which is pretty straightforward and basic. Peeling, chopping, slicing the vegetables is a great skill to have. It's also quite relaxing. You can listen to music or your favorite podcast while doing that. My favorite podcast is How I Built This with Guy Raz. He interviews innovators and shares their stories, which are amazing and very inspirational. Anyway, after you have all your veggies peeled, chopped, and sliced, check on the beef. When you let them cook covered in steam, onions soften up, caramelize, and give the dish an amazing flavor. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. You can also add about quarter cup red wine if you have an open bottle near you. Cover the pot again and cook for about 40 minutes. Check in between in case it needs more liquid. I usually add about a cup water. Add potatoes and carrots and cook for 20 more minutes. This gives enough time to cook the veggies and the meat. It's always good to check the meat before you add fresh herbs because you don't want to cook longer after the herbs go into the pot. This way, your stew will look colorful and taste fresh, just like this one in the video. Alright guys, we're gonna taste it now. Moment of truth. My favorite time. Creamy, soft, has the flavor of tomatoes, fresh herbs because we just cooked fresh herbs for 30 seconds, so they're still nice and fresh, cilantro and garlic. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's delicious, it's perfect comfort food for chilly fall and winter evenings. Make sure you make it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week with more healthy and budget-friendly recipes. Bye-bye.